Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the pad and phone so charging is reliable. Plug the wireless pad into a quality USB-C PD15W adapter. This delivers stable power and avoids slow trickle charging. Make sure you remove thick or metal cases because they block coils. Once done, place the pad on a flat surface so it won't shift. Now bring your Galaxy S23 Ultra close, aiming the center of the phones back to the pad center. You should see the pad LED light within a couple seconds. Once the S23 Ultra is on the pad, hold it briefly to find the sweet spot. Align the phone's camera strip or the center logo over the charger coil for magnetic help and consistent current. You'll know it's working when the charging icon appears and the pad LED indicates active charging. The battery percent should begin to rise. If charging is intermittent, make sure battery saver or thermal limits aren't restricting wireless input. Adjust those settings so the phone accepts the expected wattage. To finish, simply leave the S23 Ultra still until it reaches the percent you want. Wireless charging is convenient but typically slower than wired fast charging. If you need faster wireless speeds, make sure the pad uses a proper 15W adapter and a good cable. Low-power chargers limit throughput. If charging fails, remove any case, clean the phone and pad surfaces, reboot the phone, and try a different adapter or pad. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves alignment, heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.